Welcome. In today's video, we'll walk through how to turn off ads campaigns notifications on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the new web update on your PC. If you've been getting constant notifications about ads and promotions from X for professionals, this quick guide will help you stop them for good. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official X website, x.com. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your personal settings. Once you're in, take a look at the menu on the left side of your screen. You'll see several options like Home, Explore, Messages, and Notifications. Click on Notifications. After the Notifications page loads, look to the top right corner or near the top left sidebar, and you'll find a small Settings option. Click on that. This is where you can manage what kind of updates and alerts you receive while using X. Next, head into Preferences. This section lets you fine-tune your notification experience across the platform. Within Preferences, find and select Push Notifications. This menu controls which notifications are sent to your device in real time while you're browsing or even when you're not actively on X. Now, scroll down until you see the category labeled X for Professionals. This section includes options that mainly relate to business tools, analytics, and ads management. Under this category, you'll find the option called Ads Campaigns. If this box is checked, it means X is allowed to send you alerts about ads-related activity, campaign updates, and promotional suggestions. To stop receiving those, simply uncheck the Ads Campaigns box. Once you do that, your preference will automatically save, no need to click anything else. That's it. You've successfully turned off Ads Campaigns notifications on X Web. From now on, your notification feed should feel cleaner, calmer, and way less cluttered. You'll still receive important alerts, but without the constant interruptions about ads and promotional campaigns. Thanks for watching.